Hello, I'm Mitzi from You Pull and Pay. What is You Pull and Pay? You Pull and Pay is a self-serve used auto parts store with stores throughout the country. Each store displays thousands of vehicles on stands, arranged in rows, and separated by manufacturer. Customers bring their own tools, pull their own parts, and save tons of money. We want to show you just how easy it is to pull parts from our vast inventory of vehicles. Anyone can do it. Check out this video to learn how to safely and correctly remove the part and learn which tools you'll need to get started. Welcome to You Pull and Pay's How-To video series.
Hello, my name is David and this is You Pull and Pay. Today I'm going to show you how to dismount a 2007 Ford Escape Fender. The first step in dismounting it is popping the hood. Step one is removing these three 10mm bolts. Step number two is removing the screws from the inner fender. Step three is removing this plastic piece right here because there are two bolts underneath that are holding this fender stable. The next step is there's one bolt right in that crease right there. The final step, removing a little bit of the front bumper because there are two bolts that are holding the fender on right now. Final two bolts are right here to remove the fender. The last step, once all your bolts are removed up top and below, shimmy it out of there. Beautiful You Pull and Pay Fender.